Okay, so I thought I would just share a grocery haul that I picked up. Actually, I didn't pick up, I had delivered today for this week. We have some gluten-free blueberry muffins, cornbread. I'm going to make a chili later this week, a couple of goat cheese crumbles, creamer, oat milk, a few cheeses for my husband, chicken apple sausage, pepperoni, 2 packs of chicken, some turkey bacon, and some ground turkey. We've got some, what kind is this? Raspberry jam, salsa, green chili sauce. Thought I would just for fun make a cake the easy way. We've got some corn tortillas, a couple of limes, some personal items here for our family, chips, bell peppers, 2 packs of gluten-free English muffins, some regular for my husband, some veggies here. I don't get these separate because we don't eat enough carrots or cauliflower to buy them separate. So I know it's a little more expensive, but I get them in the pack and I use one at a time, and then it doesn't go bad. I hate for food to go bad. I also got some apples here. I'm going to make the apple crumble because my husband didn't actually get to taste it last time. So I'm going to make it again. Some chips for my husband, a salad kit, some classic guac that we do for guac toast, just asparagus and broccoli and potatoes, bananas, wax paper. This is bad, has to go to compost. I'm going to make a different type of laundry soap, so I've got a few different things for that, and I have some washing soda coming. And that's it. That's my grocery haul. I'll take you along this week, each day, for what I make for dinners, and hopefully I can vlog it every day, and then at the end of the week maybe I'll put it all together as a this is what we ate this week kind of a situation. So that's it for now. I'll see you for dinner.